I'm Tyler with Alpen High Performance Products and a certified passive house tradesperson.
I'm Doug Press. I'm an FGIA Installation Master Trainer and a certified passive house tradesman.
And today we're going over the installation of a Tyrol side hinge swing door.
For this door, we can install it with the panel in, or we can install it with the panel out. Because the panel out is a little bit harder of an installation, we're going to show you how to do that, just so you have that option in the field to decide which way you want to do it.
Get our handle on so that we can free the operable door sash from its multi-points. We're simply going to lift up with our suction cup and separate the sash from the frame.
So it's 4 inches from the corners, dead center on the head, right on the strike, and then we just fill in 20 to 24 in between.
Correct.
Now let's get this dry fit into the opening. You would actually put 3 beads of sealant down here because it's going to be more of a barrier installation. I'm going to skip the caulk in the video, but you're going to typically put 3 down there. Now that we're down here, I want to make sure that we're level on the sill. We're just going to put 1 through here just to show you where to put it and why. So Tyler right now is drilling a 3/8 inch hole through the frame, through the first wall. Don't go through it all. Now that allows a hole for the screw, and the screw won't be proud of the jam. Perfect.
Yeah.
Leave it. I want to show you some adjustment points of this Tyrol door.
Now that we have the door fully secured, operating how we want it, and adjusted, it's time to follow best practice for insulating and air sealing the interior and exterior.
Yep, so for this project, how we did it on this wall, we would just take our flashing tape and integrate the WRB right onto our frame, and then whatever's decided for insulating on the inside.
So that is the complete installation for this door. You can refer to any other videos or reach out to Alpen for any questions.